Niagara Falls in Canada offers visitors an unforgettable experience, showcasing the awe-inspiring power and beauty of nature. From its spectacular aerial views to its thrilling boat tour, there's something for everyone to enjoy at this iconic attraction. Boat tour take visitors close to the falls, providing a unique perspective and an exhilarating adventure as they feel the mist on their faces. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, the zipline experience offers the chance to soar high above the falls with breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Scenic viewpoints dotting the area offer visitors the opportunity to marvel at the falls from different angles and capture stunning photos. Whether exploring the falls by boat or admiring them from land, visitors are sure to be captivated by their grandeur. The natural beauty of Niagara Falls is a testament to the incredible power of water, creating a mesmerizing sight that draws millions of visitors each year. From families to adventure seekers, there's something for everyone to enjoy at Niagara Falls. Visitors can spend hours exploring the various attractions and activities available, from boat tour to hiking trails. In addition to its natural beauty, Niagara Falls also offers a range of dining and entertainment options for visitors to enjoy. As one of the most famous natural attractions in the world, Niagara Falls holds a special place in the hearts of people around the globe. Its sheer size and power are a sight to behold, leaving visitors in awe of its majesty. Whether visiting for the first time or returning for another adventure, Niagara Falls never fails to impress. The roar of the falls can be heard from miles away, signaling the immense power of nature at work. As visitors approach the falls, they can feel the mist in the air, adding to the excitement of the experience. Boat tour offer a unique vantage point, allowing visitors to get up close and personal with the falls. The zip-line experience provides a thrilling way to see the falls from above, with panoramic views stretching as far as the eye can see. Scenic viewpoints offer a more tranquil setting, perfect for taking in the beauty of the falls at a leisurely pace. Whether exploring by land, air, or water, Niagara Falls promises an unforgettable adventure for all who visit.
The CN Tower stands tall as an iconic landmark in Toronto, Canada, dominating the city skyline with its imposing presence. As one of the tallest freestanding structures in the world, it offers unparalleled views of Toronto and the surrounding area. Visitors can ascend to the observation decks, located at various heights, to marvel at panoramic vistas stretching for miles in every direction. The glass floor on the main observation level provides a thrilling experience, as visitors walk on transparent flooring, feeling as though they're floating above the city. The skypod, located even higher, offers an exhilarating perspective from 1,465 feet above ground level. Adventure seekers can take part in the EdgeWalk, an outdoor walk around the tower's circumference, at a height of 1,168 feet, providing a unique and adrenaline-pumping experience. The CN Tower's rotating restaurant 360 restaurant offers fine dining with spectacular views, allowing guests to savor delicious cuisine while taking in the scenery. With its iconic silhouette and innovative design, the CN Tower has become a symbol of Toronto's modernity and progress. It attracts millions of visitors each year, drawn by its architectural splendor and breathtaking vistas. From daytime sightseeing to nighttime cityscapes illuminated by twinkling lights, the CN Tower offers a dynamic experience for visitors of all ages. The tower's construction was a feat of engineering, taking 3 years to complete and involving thousands of workers. Since its opening in 1976, it has remained a beloved landmark and a source of pride for Torontonians. In addition to its observation decks and attractions, the CN Tower is also home to various exhibits and displays showcasing its history and significance. Its distinctive design, featuring a concrete shaft and steel framework, reflects both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The CN Tower has been recognized as one of the 7 wonders of the modern world by the American Society of Civil Engineers. It serves as a testament to human ingenuity and the ability to achieve great heights through innovation and determination. Whether admired from afar or experienced up close, the CN Tower continues to inspire wonder and awe in all who behold it.